At least 2 people have died from dengue and 740 others were admitted to hospital in the last 24 hours till 8 a.m. today. This is the highest number of deaths and new cases have been reported in a single day this year. According to the Directorate General of Health Services, 5 deaths were in Borishal Division, 3 in Dhaka North City Corporation, 2 in Dhaka South City Corporation, 1 in Chittagong Division, 1 in Muimungsing Division. With these new cases, the total number of dengue deaths has reached 179, while the total number of patients has climbed to 41,831. Out of these patients, 39,631 have already recovered and returned home. At present, 2,021 people are still receiving treatment in hospitals across the country, among them 1,265 outside Dhaka.